Hey everyone, this is Gleb Bakhmutov, and today I want to show a new plugin called cypress-cli-select. It's not my plugin, it's written by Dennis Bergevin, but it's pretty cool plugin and it works very well. So what it does, it allows you to select specs and tests by title or by test tag. It works very well with my Bakhmutov cygrep plugin. Here's my example, Cypress grep example. I'll link this repo in the description of this video. But I'm using my tag plugin to assign tags to some of the tasks. For example, smoke. I probably have another smoke, misc, new to do tag. How do I run tests in this repo? Well, there are a lot of tests and I can print the names using my Find Cypress spec utility just to give you an overview. So in each spec we have suites of tests, for example, do MVC React with individual tests, and it shows the tag, in this case smoke. There is misc, there are a couple of tests marked new to do because they're in this suite tagged new to do. And now I want to run some of the tasks. So here's where cypress-cli-select run comes into play. Let me bump the font so you can see everything. So right now it's asking if I want to run specs or grep. So I'm gonna start with specs. So I'm gonna click enter and it shows all the specs that it found in my project, and I can say I just need maybe editing and persistence, and I click enter and it launches Cypress and runs just those two specs. Pretty convenient when I have a lot of specs and I don't want to manually specify them from a command line. Alright, let's do the same thing, but this time instead of running specs we're gonna select test titles or tags. Let's look at titles. Right now it found in this spec all these tests, and it shows me the suite and the child suite and then the name of a test. And let's say I want to run this test and maybe that one and maybe this one. I'm going to click enter, and then it uses my cygrep plugin to limit myself, eliminate all other specs and eliminate all the tests that don't match our selection. And finally, my favorite is to be able to run tests by a test tag. So I'm going to say test tags, and it found 3 different tags in my project. And let's run all the smoke tests just to make sure that all the features work. Like really quick run. So notice it already filtered a couple of specs that don't have any smoke tags, and then in each one it only runs the test tagged smoke, so really quickly finishing a test run. So check out cypress-cli-select, give it a star. This is a great project and a great implementation. Bravo, Dennis.